Alright everybody, I'm gonna show you how to make this guy's gun, yeah? Well, what you need, one of these small disky pieces, make sure it's blue, a white round block, and the rifle. Get in most of the new battle pack sets. First, the block, that side, the rifle fits in the back, like that. And then on the front, the disky bit goes, see, snaps onto the end. Yeah, you can carry the gun. The Lego man can carry the gun like that. And the rifle bit. Yeah, and they can also carry the gun like that. Other videos are coming up soon.